Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. Today we're taking a look at our 5.5 foot deluxe aluminum skid assembly. So we have these available in 8 foot as well. This particular one is just kind of sitting in one of our 3R trucks right now. It's going to be going into a customer's truck here probably within the hour. Just a little bit of unevenness because it's not secured just how it normally is. We have got some cardboard under there to make it easy to take it in and out. But starting up front here, we've got the 12-volt soft wash system. This is metered by the proportion that we have here. We've got the water line, the surfactant line, and the bleach line. That all gets fed into the pump. The pump is powered by a 12-volt battery. So we've got this charger here that charges up that battery. And you can't see the battery up here. It's kind of on the bottom side of this skid, but you'll see it whenever we get to the rear part of it. So next to the soft wash system, we've got the 7-gallon surfactant tank, and then over here we've got our 6-gallon fuel tank. That is for the pressure washer that we have facing the rear. So as we move around back, we've got the 3,500 PSI, 8-gallon a minute pressure washer. Down below we've got 100 feet of the inlet hose. On the Titan hose reel, these are the 12-inch reels. And then we've got 2 of the 12-volt batteries. One of those batteries is here to power the soft wash system, and the other battery is for the electric start on the pressure washer. We don't ever use one battery for both because it can damage the charging system on the pressure washer if you're using them both simultaneously. This yellow hose is a 3/4 inch drain off the 100-gallon water tank that we have all the way at the front. It's a little hard to see from this angle, but as we get around the other side, you'll get a better view. We've got the 3rd piece shelf that is kind of an additional part of, if you guys are buying this skid just all by itself, this is just an additional piece that comes with it. We've also got surface cleaner racks that are available to go on top of the ladder rack that's included with this skid. So that just, the surface cleaner racks just allow you to secure your surface cleaner, lock it in, and not having to worry about it either bouncing out or being stolen off of your truck. So as we come around to the other side, we've got 2 of the 12-inch hose reels. Again, these are Titan reels. We've got 200 feet of the pressure washer hose, 200 feet of the 1/2-inch soft wash hose. To make sure everything stays nice and secure, these Titan reels have locking pins on them, as most of these styles do. And then we've got the coupler locks so that nothing can come free while you're driving down the road. Behind the soft wash reel, we've got a 55-gallon tank for the bleach, and then we've got the 100-gallon water tank. So you can kind of see those a little bit better from this side. The bleach can connect to both the downstream soap injector and to the soft wash system. The water obviously draws in for the pressure washer and for the soft wash system, so both are easily accessible just by using valves that are accessed from the outside of the skid. But if you guys have any questions on this setup, or if you want something similar, you need something custom but you really like this one as far as layout goes, just give us a call and we can help you out. Thanks.